Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat shin splints. Whether you're someone who enjoys running 5Ks or is just experiencing the negative side effects of breaking in a new pair of shoes, we can all experience shin splints at one time or another. Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief and alleviate the pain related to overloading and inflaming the muscles surrounding your tibia. So here's what you're going to do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the dampener or the wedge attachment for the shins, but you can also use whichever you like for this particular treatment. The wedge is great for scraping, but for this particular application, we'll go with the dampener. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize usage to our own needs. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding the power button, then set your treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while treating your shins. I recommend the base grip since it'll give you the furthest reach without altering your balance if you have issues bending over. If you're seated, I'd go with the reverse grip for the control that allows you to move slowly and methodically along the front of your leg. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun and finding the relief you're looking for. Start by treating the bottom of your foot for 30 seconds, treating all 3 arches of the foot. First around the heel, then around the balls of the foot, then finally spend some time in the arch. Then, move up to the side of your leg and treat your peroneals for 15 to 30 seconds. Then lastly, treat your shins for 15 to 30 seconds directly. After, and this one's important, do a slow walk and stretch out the muscles of the lower leg. Remember, we want the Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.